So been a long time, but let's continue from where we left off. So today we'll be learning about a short trick called prefix caching, which most of the inference deployments use. We'll focus on vLLM. Now, what does prefix caching basically mean? So, for example, when you are building an application and you tell the ChatGPT or let's say Claude or your Gemini that, okay, these are certain set of rules you have to follow, these are the guardrails you have to follow, and you are a software engineer of level 3 or something like that. And then post that you keep on injecting your dynamic portion of the prompt. So these all the core instructions remain static. Now, what prefix caching does is basically, just as the name suggests, just caches the prefix of the prompt. Now, for example, let's say all of these system prompts are getting cached into your memory, like not your memory, the LLM memory, not into LLM memory to be exact, like the system which is serving the LLM in its memory. Now, whenever a new prompt come, it basically sees that okay, up to what part, if you have enabled prefix caching, the VLLM basically sees up to what part of this current prompt the prefix is getting matched. It loads the key and value for that part directly from the cache, and then it continues calculating attentions for the remaining of the tokens. So similar like KV cache, but the cache, what do you say, that its hierarchy is a different thing. KV cache happens per turn, and the prefix caching is maintained multiple turns across. Now this is where your data structure comes into picture because you simply can't just do a string matching into the prefix match. So that's one of the application where you will find data structures into play. To use prefix caching with vLLM, it's fairly simple. Just follow the settings while you're deploying the model, and then it will enable prefix caching with your vLLM, and you can directly see its benefits as you repeat the same prompt again and again across multiple turns. So see you around with some another video some other day.